Okay, so we decided to make a quick video rather than try to explain all this steps and screenshots. So I think you already have GSAK. If not, you can get it through gsak.net. I think you already had it. I think Shannon was helping you with that when we arrived the other night. But we're going to use that program, and when you open it up, you have all your columns showing here. We have latitude and longitude in our column list. I can't remember if that was on by default. If you need to turn that on, you can go to View, Add Remove Columns, and then you can scroll down on this left-hand side and find latitude and longitude and make sure they're checked. Now I know for a fact when we had ours added, we had so many other columns they were hanging off on the screen over here on the right-hand side, which made it hard to see. So what we did was we just grabbed them and drug them over closer to the name. So you can just click and hold on those and move them closer. So everything's on one page. It'll make it easier for you to see which cache it is. So the first thing you're going to need to do is import a lot of caches from the area. You may already have that. If not, you go to the geocaching.com access, click Get Geocaches, and it's set to circle, and you hit Google Maps, and it gives you a circle. You can use this red arrow to shrink and grow it. You'll need most of the Rockingham County area, plus a little bit outside, on all sides really. So a little bit bigger than Rockingham County to get all of the coordinates that are qualifying for this challenge. So once you have that, you hit Return Coordinates, and then click OK to start importing those. I'm going to click Cancel just because it takes too long for this video. So once you have all of those, what I would do, since you already said you know the numbers that you need by the minutes, would be I'd click down here where it says Counts down here on the bottom right hand side, and the white area is ones you've not found. So you can double click that to set a filter, and that gets rid of all the ones that you haven't found. Or excuse me, gets rid of all the ones you have found and just leave the ones you haven't found. Then you can click on latitude or longitude, and it'll automatically sort either up or down depending on how many times you click it. So once you have that, it's just a matter of scrolling up and down, and you'll need to do that over here by grabbing this bar with your mouse. If you scroll with your keyboard, it wants to change the page each time, and it jumps the screen around in really strange ways. So the easiest way to do it is to use your mouse and grab this little bar on the right hand border. So let's say you needed a 09. So you can scroll down. Since they're all in order, there's 7s, 8s, there's 9s, and there's quite a few of them in 3609, so it'd just be a matter of picking one. For me, there's an LY series, those are easy, I'll use that one. If you don't find one you like, you can switch over to the longitude and say longitude you need 09. It's the same way, you just scroll down or up, whatever you need, and match up. There's a 09, there's an 09, there's an 09, and if you click them, it highlights all the way across and gives you a clear indication of all of the information about that cache. And you can always double click it to get even more info. So I think that's what you're asking. I hope this helps, and hope a video format's okay for helping you get to the right place.